Are you a small business owner, or you have an e-commerce website and you have been trying to look for a way to turn your high product image into a professional looking product image with a lot of models with different poses using your product? Then look no further, because in today's video I'm going to show you a website or a brand or a tool where you can actually turn your product image from looking just so basic into looking very, very professional. So you're going to have a lot of models, poses, and everything you can do on the platform. So if you're interested, then watch this video till the end. Now, the name of the platform we are going to be using is SellerPic AI. So all you need to do is to click on the link I have in the description box below, or you come to this Google search here and search for SellerPic AI. So all you just need to do is do this as I'm doing it. So search for SellerPic and it's going to take you to Google search. As you can see here, this is the first website here. Just click on it. It's called SellerPic AI. Now, in this website, you can turn your products from looking very unprofessional or very basic into looking something very, all of them. So I'm going to show you these two features. So the first one I'm going to show you here is this virtual try-on accessories. So right here, if you click on it, you can see that you can upload your accessories on this platform, and you're going to see AI models and different poses that are going to showcase that particular brand or that particular product you are trying to promote, which is actually fantastic, because this way you are not going to spend a lot of money trying to get models that is going to take pictures with your products. All of these things are professionally done with this AI tool. And once you sign up, lest I forget, you're going to be given 20 free credits. As you can see here, I have 20 free credits. So I'm going to show you exactly what you can do with all of these things, and I'm going to show you what the pricing plan looks like later on. So keep watching, okay? And so right now, you can either, as you can see here, they're going to give you the size of the accessory you can upload. As you can see, upload accessory image. So in this stuff, you can use their presets accessory, or you can upload. So I'm going to upload an accessory so that we can see exactly how we can actually use this stuff. I'm going to upload this wristwatch that I just downloaded. Let's say it's my product image, so I'm going to upload it. Right after uploading it, it's going to automatically detect that we have this product. As you can see, it has automatically detected that it's a wristwatch, and it's going to give you different AI model poses that are very, very high professionals that we can actually use to showcase this our product. So we're just going to select the one that actually suits. Also in this case, I'm going to select this one. So let's know I'm going to select this one. Okay, so right now, as we've selected it, all we just need to do is to click on generate. So as you can see here, the cost of this is just two credit. So for you to use this platform, you need to just buy credit or upgrade, which I'm going to talk about later on. So as you can see here, once we are okay with this, we can click on this generate, and it actually is going to, in under few seconds, is actually going to generate this product stuff for us. So as you can see, we're going to have, after generating it, we're going to see that this AI model, this product image is going to show us is very, very high quality, and this is exactly what you need. You don't need to go to any studio to start taking pictures, which is not bad, but it's actually going to consume your resources, and it's actually going to take a lot of your time. But with this AI platform, all you just need to do is to just upload what you need to upload, and you get everything you need to do. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wait for it to generate, but this actually generates under a few seconds. So guys, as you can see, under a few minutes or under a few seconds, that's actually generated our product image. As you can see here, this is the product image I uploaded, and this is the result we are getting. So this is actually very, very professional, because right now we can actually showcase this onto our website. Okay, you can upload this on your website, or you can upload it on any platform you're using just to sell this product. Okay, so this is actually very, very fantastic, and I will implore you guys to actually go ahead and start using this platform, because that's all you need. So you can actually go ahead now to download this product right here. Okay, so I'm going to download it. So once you download it, you're going to have it onto your platform. Then you can upload it on any way you want. So you can also upload the background. You can also remove the background with PNG and so many other formats that you can have. Okay, so which is actually fantastic. Guys, I want you to go ahead and try out this platform. So that's one feature on the website. So you can have this virtual try on apparel. So all you can do is you can actually upload your apparels, or you can use the one they have. So I'm going to use, you can select from this, and you can see you can select model library, or we can upload our own model. So I'm going to use on select model library, and we can actually select models and different poses that match or that we want to use for the platform. So this is actually a very fantastic platform. So I can go ahead and use this, click on confirm, and actually it's going to select the top right here. And once we do that, we can actually click on generate, and the cost of this is for credits. And once you do that, you're going to have this. Let me use that. Okay, let me use that. So after like couple of minutes or seconds, we're going to have these models wearing that particular model or clothes that we, or that apparel that we just selected. You can actually upload yours, or you can actually have it to generate yours for you. So I'm going to wait for this to finish running, so that I can show you exactly how to do it. So as you can see, this is the final result. As you can see, we have this products right now, which is ready to use or sell or on any platform. So as you can see here, we have this model wearing this apparel that we just selected, and you guys can see this looks very professional and very sharp. Okay, so you can actually see different versions or different variations of this particular products, as you can see, which is nice. Okay, I love this stuff very much, because with this you don't need to go to studio or look for models to start snapping or taking pictures about your for your outfit or whatever. Just upload it, and you have these presets or models waiting for you to use on this platform, this AI model. So you can see swap fashion model. You can upload your fashion or your model, and they can actually use it wherever you wanted. So another thing is, you can see this virtual try on apparels, which is exactly what I just showed you guys. And yes, these three more features, very fantastic. Another fantastic feature we want to talk about now is this AI video tool. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this platform AI video tool to convert your product image into a video. So all you just need to do is to click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you're going to be brought straight to this page. So we are just going to select this image to video. Once this is selected, go ahead now, upload your product image. So we want to use this platform, this AI tool, to convert our product image into a video that we can use for our e-commerce platform. So as you can see, once we've uploaded the product image, it's actually going to pull up this product image. So this is the product image I just uploaded. So all we just need to do now is to enter a prompt here. So this prompt is actually going to help us convert this product image into a video that we can use on our platform. So I'm going to just paste the prompt that I just generated. So as you can see, I just entered this simple prompt. So you want to make sure your prompts are realistic and very simple, so that it's actually going to come out very good. So once you have entered your prompt, everything looks good. It's actually going to, you just click on this generate. It's going to take 10 credits to generate this prompt for us. Convert this product image into a video for us. So once I click on it right now, it's actually going to take few minutes for this thing to get done. So once it's done, we are going to see that our product image has been converted to a video. Then we can use on our e-commerce platform or whichever platform we are using to upload our product. So I'm going to wait for this stuff to complete, then I will show you exactly how it looks like. Yeah, so it has finished generating the product. It has converted the image into a video. So now we're going to preview it. So this is the one you just generated. As you can see, very sharp. Okay, look at the bag, and this AI tool just converted an image, our product image, into a video. Very easy to do. So guys, go ahead, use this AI photo generator. Use this particular tool to convert your product image into a video. So this feature is actually a very fantastic feature that you can use to generate a video for your product using this particular image to video converter. So another thing I want to show you guys is this AI product image, and here you can actually add your products to all these AI models. Okay, AI products models, as you can see here. So whichever one you select, this part marked here, you can upload your products and it's going to be replaced immediately. Very, very simple. You can also add your products into a product spotlight. You just need to select any of the spotlights and then upload your products and it's going to be automatically added. So that's very, very simple to do. So go ahead to use all of these features. Okay, so another thing is you can actually see, you can actually create a lot of stuff right here. You can upload you can upload your design. Let me just upload one thing. So I'm going to upload this wristwatch like normal. I can select the ratio of what I'm trying to create. Let's say I'm trying to create this for YouTube, which is 16:9. I already know, so I can select this flux kernel and I can select just one outfit and we can use one credit. So we can give it a prompt. So I can say I want a model to wear this wristwatch showing all angles. Just something very good. And you can see once you click on it and it's going to take a credit. So let's say it took just one credit to get this image generated. So after like a few seconds or a few minutes, you are going to have your image generated just right here. You can give it a prompt and it's going to actually go ahead to generate it. So I'm going to wait a little minutes or a little seconds for these things to be generated. So as you can see, it has been generated. It has generated it, and as you can see, this is the wristwatch. The model is already wearing the wristwatch. Now if you want this to be even more precise, you need to make sure your prompt is very, very precise. So in my case, I just used a little prompt just so we can continue with the video. So guys, this platform SellerPic AI, very, very fantastic platform, and I want us to check out a few things before we end the video. So guys, I want to tell you that don't forget what I told you in the beginning. If you're looking for a platform that is going to help you with AI image editor that transforms your single product image into AI fashion model shots, then you need to try out this SellerPic AI.